Hello everyone, this is BSc third year class, and today we are going to discuss how to make a difference table for a given function. So write down, construct a difference table from the following values of x and y. Following values of x and y. Now we have to make the construct table. So the values of x and y are to be given. X, which is argument, y is equal to f of x is equal to 1 by x. It is a given function. Now the values of x are 3.0, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 and 3.4. Now 1 by 3 is what? 0.3333, then 0.32258, then 0.31250, then 0.30303, then 0.29412. Now to make the difference table, you can use calculators also. So argument, we know that the independent variable is called as argument. Argument, entry, first difference, second difference, third difference and fourth difference. Now the values of x, f of x, delta f of x is a first difference, delta square f of x, delta cube f of x, delta for f of x. 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, then 0.3333, 0.32258, then 0.31250, then 0.30303, then 0.29412. Now we know that delta f of x is what? F of x plus h minus f of x, that is 0.32258 minus 0.3333. So it will be 0.01075. Now the difference of these two, minus of 0.01008, then the difference of these two, minus of 0.00947, then minus of 0.00891. Now second difference is nothing but this element minus this element. So it is a positive difference 0.00067. Now this minus this, so 0.00061, sorry, plus now 0.00058. Now third difference, minus of 0.0000, that is 4 times 0, 6, and minus of 0.00005. Now fourth difference, the difference between these two elements, 0.00001. This is the difference table, and this is the method to how we calculate the difference table. So write down one theorem, theorem 1.3. The nth difference of a rational integral function of a rational integral function that is polynomial of nth degree are constant when the values of the independent variable are at the constant intervals. When the values of the independent variable are at equal intervals. That is, h is a constant. When h is a constant, then the nth difference of a rational integral function that is polynomial of nth degree is constant. So let us prove this theorem. Let f of x be the polynomial of nth degree, ax raised to n plus bx raised to n minus 1 plus cx raised to n minus 2 plus and so on plus kx plus l. This is the polynomial of nth degree. Now let us find f of x plus h. A constant, x plus h raised to n plus b constant, x plus h raised to n minus 1 plus c constant, x plus h raised to n minus 2 plus and so on plus k times x plus h plus l is a constant. Now first difference, we know that delta f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. So it is equal to a times x plus h raised to n plus b times x plus h raised to n minus 1 plus c times x plus h raised to n minus 2 plus and so on plus k times x plus h plus l minus f of x, ax raised to n plus bx raised to n minus 1 plus cx raised to n minus 2 plus and so on plus kx plus L. Now when we do the calculations of this, then it will be equal to A goes outside x plus h raised to n minus x raised to n plus B goes outside x plus h raised to n minus 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 and so on plus kh. So it will be equal to A n h x raised to n minus 1 plus b dash x raised to n minus 2 plus and so on plus k dash x plus n. This is the first difference where b dash, k dash and l dash are constant. Thus the first difference of the rational integral function is a polynomial of a degree n minus 1. First difference, that is delta f of x, is a polynomial of a degree n minus 1. And we do these same. Now we if we take the difference of the difference, that is second difference, then it will be the polynomial of degree n minus 3, sorry n minus 2. If it does the third difference, then it will be the polynomial of degree n minus 3. So delta square f of x will be the polynomial ah square n into n minus 1 x raised to n minus 2 plus b double dash x raised to n minus 3 plus and so on plus k double dash. Now the nth difference will be a h raised to n into n minus 1 dot 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 3 to 1. So it will be equal to a h raised to n into n factorial, which is constant. So according to the theorem, the nth difference of a rational integral function is constant. Now write down one note. The converse of above theorem is also true. The converse of the theorem says that if the nth difference of the tabulated function are constant when the values of the independent variables are taken at the equal intervals, then the function is a polynomial of a degree n. Now let us discuss some examples. Example first, evaluate delta cube L minus x, 1 minus x into 1 minus 2x into 1 minus 3x. If we expand these brackets, then it will be f of x is equal to minus 6x cube plus 11x square minus 6x plus 1. Now according to the theorem, delta cube f of x is equal to a is a constant minus 6 h raised to n, h is 1 where h is given to be 1, h raised to n, 1 raised to n into n factorial, that is 3 factorial. So it will be equal to minus 36. Now example second. Now find delta raised to n e raised to ax plus b. So Now let us find delta f of x, that is delta e raised to ax plus b. So it is equal to f of x plus 1 minus f of x. So e raised to ax plus 1 plus b minus e raised to ax plus b. So it is equal to e raised to ax plus a plus b minus e raised to ax plus b. Now if we take common e raised to ax plus b, then it e raised to a minus 1. So this is the first difference, delta 1 f of x. Similarly, delta square f of x is equal to e raised to ax plus b into e raised to a minus 1 whole square, and dot 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 delta raised to n f of x is equal to e raised to ax plus b into e raised to a minus 1 raised to n. Now today's lecture I am going to stop over here. Thank you.